correspondence. I hope that after time goes past, you can remember me with fondness, and think as I am thinking now of all the pages that have seen us laid out unending in between us, and we can walk them like the ground. I know my fate, I do not mean to fight, but you tread softly on the ground tonight. Tread softly on the words you used to write. Oh Gabriel, I see you there. The day I met you in the orchard, and I was younger than I wore my hair in bows across my forehead. Soon they will twist it at the shoulder and fix the clasp against my neck, and I do not think you would know her if you could see what they reflect. I've seen my future in an evening dress, wrapped in tapestry and fur, I guess. Remember me the way you knew me best. Gabriel, I have kept everything you sent me, everything you put to paper, but it's better to forget and fill your head with memories. Think that you will thank me later. Oh Gabriel, I wish that I could pick you up and fold you like a ribbon. I'd hold you always and in secret in the pockets of my clothes. But this is how I live my life, with all the parts that I was given. This is the heart that I was given, and what you're given can't be sold. I've seen my future in an evening dress, wrapped in tapestry and fur, I guess.